Adaptation in animals. Millions of years ago, when the earth was born and animals started to appear, animals then were completely different from what they are today. Over the years, the earth's conditions have changed. Animals have developed certain features which help them adjust to the changing surroundings. Adaptation. It is the special features that help an animal to survive in its habitat, or the change a living thing makes in its body features and behavior in order to survive in a habitat is called adaptation. Different ways of adaptation in animals. Animals adapt themselves in the following ways. For habitat. 2. For food habit. 3. For protection. 4. For climate. Adaptation to habitats. Depending on the place they live, animals can be divided as 1. Terrestrial animals. 2. Aquatic animals. 3. Aerial animals. 4. Arboreal animals. 5. Amphibians. Animals which live on land, on the surface of the ground, or in burrows below the surface of the ground are called terrestrial animals. They breathe through their lungs and have a well-developed nervous system. They have strong legs to walk and run fast. The animals which do not have limbs move with the help of their muscles and scales on their body. Examples of terrestrial animals: earthworm, tiger, human, rabbit, dogs, cat, etc. Adaptation in aquatic animals. Animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. Some aquatic animals live in freshwater, lakes, rivers and ponds. Others live in salty water, seas, oceans. Aquatic animals breathe through their gills, except dolphins and whales. They have fins or paddles which help them to swim and scales which prevent water from entering the body. They have a streamlined body which reduces friction while swimming in water. Examples of aquatic animals: crabs, octopuses, seahorses, starfish, fish, etc. Adaptation in aerial animals. Animals which fly and spend most of their time in the air are called aerial animals. They have hollow bones which make their body light. One set of their limbs are modified into wings to help them fly. They have a streamlined body so that they can fly easily. Examples of aerial animals: eagle, kingfisher, pigeon, parrot, etc. Adaptation in arboreal animals. Animals which spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal animals. They have sharp claws to climb up and down the branches. They have strong muscular limbs and a tail for holding onto the branches. Examples of arboreal animals: monkeys, lizards, sloth, squirrel, opossum, etc. Adaptation in amphibians. These animals have certain features which enable them to live both on land and water. Their legs help them to hop and jump on land. They even have webbed feet which help them swim in water. They breathe with the help of lungs on land and through their moist skin in water. Examples of aerial animals: frogs, toads, salamanders, caecilians, etc. Adaptation in animals for food. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Based on the food they eat, animals are divided as 1. Herbivores. 2. Carnivores. 3. Omnivores. 4. Scavengers. 5. Parasites. Adaptation in herbivores. Animals which eat only plants and grass are called herbivorous. They have sharp front teeth for biting and cutting and very strong teeth for grinding to chew the plants rich in cellulose. Examples: cow, deer, elephant, giraffe, horse, zebra, etc. Adaptation in carnivores. Animals which eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. They have sharp claws and long sharp teeth to tear the flesh of prey. Examples: tiger, snake, cat, vulture, shark, etc. Adaptation in omnivores. Animals which eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Examples: dog, bear, crow, etc. Adaptation in scavengers. Animals which feed on flesh of dead animals are called scavengers. Examples: hyena, vulture, etc. Adaptation in parasites. Animals which live on the body or in the body of other living organisms, hosts, are called parasites. They get their food by sucking blood from the hosts. Examples: tapeworm and hookworm live inside the host's body. Adaptation in animals for protection. 1. Color protection. Few animals like chameleon, zebra, Arctic fox and frog can easily blend with their surroundings by changing their body color according to their surroundings. This makes it difficult for predators or prey to spot them. This is known as camouflage. A chameleon can change its color according to the surroundings. 2. Fast movement. Some animals have very strong legs and are able to run very fast. Animals like deer and gazelle can run away from danger or their predators. 3. Shells and spines. Crabs and turtles have a shell which protects their body. Porcupines are covered with spines or quills. They release spines or quills when attacked. 4. Poison bites. Bees, snakes and scorpions have a poisonous bite or sting, which protects them from their enemies. Adaptation to climate. The skin acts as a protective organ which protects the animals from various climatic conditions. Depending on the climatic conditions, an animal's skin is modified to survive in extreme cold polar region and extreme hot region. Adaptation for surviving extreme cold polar regions. Animals living here have fur on their bodies to protect them from cold. Penguin and polar bear have a thick layer of fat called blubber under their skin to keep them warm. Adaptation for surviving extreme heat. Animals living in desert have thick skin which protects them from the sun. Thick skin also prevents water loss from their bodies. Stop sinking into the sand and to protect from heat of the ground.